But first, let's go to Fox 13's Dan Maddox, who's in Pasco County for us tonight, and an alarming plea from the Pasco Fire Chief about calling 911. Dan, what exactly did he say?
He said don't call 911 unless you or a loved one are dying. To put it bluntly, they've reached the point where they have to triage the situation for true life or death emergencies.
Another day and a new record. Tuesday, Pasco Fire Rescue saw 280 calls as of late afternoon. The overwhelming majority of them were medical.
And currently we're seeing unprecedented call volume.
Pasco Fire Rescue is the only EMS system in the county, and Chief Scott Casson says their call volume is up 30% from the COVID surge that we experienced last summer in 2020. They are so stressed, in some cases, they are not sending ambulances, but fire trucks to help people because the ambulances are so tied up.
We really need to ask the citizens for help.
The chief asking people to only call 911 if it's a true life or death emergency.
We're kind of reaching the tipping point where it's causing issues, and we have a number of people that are using the 911 system for really non-emergency type transportation, and it really should be reserved for those individuals that truly need it. You know, your heart attack victims, strokes.
Chief Casson says this is the result of a stressed healthcare system being driven by the Delta variant surge. Many exhausted healthcare workers have left for other jobs, creating lack of beds, which means they can't offload their patients fast enough, sometimes resorting to other measures.
We will at least try to get a trained responder on scene, and that could be via fire engine.
Yeah, we did hear from a senior gentleman. We got a phone call from him. Weren't able to connect with him for our story today, but he said here in Pasco County, he called 911 because he fell down, could not get up, and he had to wait more than an hour. So, Mark, this situation becoming very real for anyone who needs to call 911 right now.
No doubt about that. Unprecedented times. Dan Maddox live in Pasco. Dan, thanks.